guys, welcome back to Oh Hello Living. Today we are going to be talking about the 2019-2020 planners. This beautiful beast right here. I'm going to be doing a full walkthrough of this planner for you guys, as well as showing you a side-by-side comparison to last year's planner so you can really see what's different about this year. Plus, I was kindly sent some of the new accessories, so I'm going to show you guys those as well. And then we're going to meet back here and I'm going to tell you my thoughts, what I liked, what I didn't like, and an overall opinion about these new planners. So let's head on over to my desk and I'll show you the top-down view and get started with all of the awesome stuff. So here we are with the new planner, and it comes in a box now, which I think is super interesting. So it doesn't have that clear pouch that you can coil clip in anymore. It has this box. So let's open her up. So with the planner, it still comes with some free items, and they're tucked in this little like clear bag. So you get this little sticker that you can use on your box to mark the year, as well as some to from labels, some compliment cards with foil. I really love these quotes, and I think these are really nice quality. 2 20% off coupon codes, as well as the card that kind of explains everything that you get for free. So first thing, the ruler is new. It's slightly larger than it was last year, and it has this geometric shape pattern on it. I got the cover that matches this year's theme, so it's kaleidoscope. And then when you open it up, they have that vellum sheet, and this one is gorgeous. You're gonna hear this throughout. Like, I'm obsessed with this pattern. It says the vertical layout, and then the quotes pages are amazing. I love the color of them. They're super bright and fun. Always love a good quote page. This is the year overview. And then this is the 12-month like tracking thing. I always use mine for work accomplishments. This one actually has lines. Last year, in the current year, there are no lines. So I do enjoy the lines. And then it goes into the monthly view. So the first thing you have is this lined page at the back of the month. And then it has the quote, and then it goes into a blank page, and then this page that has like birthdays, monthly goals, this blank section, and then a dot grid section. Let's darken it up for you guys so you can see it a little bit better. There you go. So this is a new page for the planner, something that I haven't seen before. So let's look at the original spread from last year. So this is the current planner for 2018-2019, and this is the new planner's monthly view. Both of these are vertical color planners, so you can really see the difference. There is this little strip up here with the color, and the date is kind of centered. Personally, I think I still like this one, but we'll get into those details about what I like and what I don't like at the end. So this is what this side looks like, and then you flip it over, and the big difference is the notes column. There's no monthly date, and then the column is colored in to match the monthly color on the new planner and not on the old planner. So here's the weekly view side by side, and there are a ton of changes. First up is the top corner. I love that they added this little addition. The dates are different, of course, and then they actually rounded the boxes on the new planner, and then the little headers are actually a whole lot smaller than they were originally. And then the bottom section is colorful, and then there's the date calendar in the corner. So here's how the ends of the month are different. So the last page right after the weekly views end, they both have line pages with this little like top section. They're slightly different. And then when you flip it over, it goes into the quotes, which is still the same. But then the old version goes right into the monthly view. The new version is where it has that blank page, and then this kind of like, I do not know what to call this page, like the birthday monthly goals page, and then it goes into the monthly view. So this section is new. So now we are in the back of the planner looking at the note pages and things that are different back here. So they both start with a line note page, and then they have 2 line note pages before they go into a dot grid with patterns. Then it goes into the coloring pages, which is the same, and this is new. This like hexagon page spread. I'm not entirely sure what the point of this is or what you can use it for. Maybe you can write your yearly goals on this or something, but this definitely does not exist in the old version. And then both of them have the let's keep in touch page. Then both of them transition into the coming year pages. I love these to mark like doctor's appointments or anything in the like 2021, which is a crazy thing to think about. So this is where you can write all of that information down. And there's just some slight variations. The font's different. It's more plain, I guess. In this one, it's not as like flowerful. And then of course the patterns. The stickers are different in the back of the new planner as well. They reflect the new patterns. There's more like functional habit trackers. I love this page. I always love when they do more like fun decorative stickers. The birthday ones are super cute. And then it has some of these little labels. Then there is the back pocket, and this is a big difference as well from the old version of the planner to this one. So this front pocket is still the same, but the back pocket is different because this is what the old version looked like. It had this little pocket that made no sense whatsoever, but they went back to the larger one. And of course it comes with the perpetual calendar like it always does, but this one is in the new style. So that is everything new with the vertical colorful planner, but let's get into some of the accessories. So first is this new pack of multicolored dual tip markers. It's a larger version of their old box. I think it's twice as big. And I'm pretty sure most of these colors have been in collections before. This one I know is definitely new, and this one seems new, but I'm not entirely sure, so I'll let you know in the comments if I find out what the names of these colors are, if they are in previous collections. Because if you're like me, you're trying to collect them all Pokemon style, so you need to know the names to make sure that they're different. They also have a new set of lined sticky notes with the new pattern and these little corner tabs. I don't really know what those are for. I'd much rather have the entire pattern, but what can you do? They also have new compliment cards. This is a whole little stack of them. I love the quotes this year. They just seem to really resonate with me. So these are really cool. They also have, of course, another petite journal with the pattern and metallic. And then they have a new planny pack. I am vibing this. So it's the same old style of planny pack as you've seen before. It just has the new pattern on it. And then this is a new product I haven't seen them do before. It's a pen. So it comes in this really nice box. It has a lovely writing style. I need to find something to write on for you. So this new pen reminds me of a gel pen, but it still has a ballpoint style to it. I think it has a really nice color and it's super easy to write with. It has a good flow and it also has a really good weight to it. So I love this pen and it comes in a really nice box. There's also two new dashboards. This first one has a priorities list and some habit tracking as well as a day of the week style thing on the back. And this one is just a like project tracker checklist as well, and the back is blank. With the new planner release, there is another classic edition sticker book out. This is edition number 5. So let's flip through this. So there's some quote stickers with metallic in the front, some functional stickers, more functional stickers, a couple of quotes, and then this sheet is clear and has a bunch of metallic quotes on it. Some little washi strips. I really love this sticker book. I haven't been a fan of a lot of them in the past, but this one has a lot of really cool bright colors, and I think it's because of the patterns as well. So lots of different functional and decorative stickers in here. Then I'm not sure if these are new or not. They were included in the box, but there are some elastic bands and some pastel metallic colors. So that was the planner flip through and all of the accessories. Let's go back to the other view and I'll tell you what I think. Whew, so I know that was a lot of information, but now I want to share my thoughts, my opinions, what I like, what I don't like, that sort of thing. So let's start from the very beginning, the new box. I like it, but I also don't think it's something I'm going to be using to store my planner in. So I do think it's really gorgeous and pretty, and I think it is a good transition away from the little pocket that they used to include with your orders. But I think I'll probably end up using this for a gift box rather than a planner storage solution. but it's really pretty. In regards to the planner itself, I am obsessed with the theme. I think the kaleidoscope is so gorgeous. This new ruler is huge. I don't use the ruler, but I might. It's that gorgeous looking and just really nice and big and sturdy. In regards to the layout of the vertical in particular, the monthly view is what I'm having the hardest time with. I do not like that little thin bar of kaleidoscope pattern rather than it being the full header. I wish it was the entire header because it's such a beautiful pattern that I think they really missed out on an opportunity to highlight it. And then I also don't like that the sidebar is a color. That just seems a bit odd to me. I wish it was still white. I love the way that the monthly views look now. So I wish they would have stuck with something a little bit more similar to that than this complete change. As for the weekly views, I think the top left corner month is gorgeous. I love this pattern and the kaleidoscope theme so much that I love that they highlight there. And then I also really like that there is the monthly calendar at the bottom as well. As far as like the rounded corners of the boxes, that doesn't really bother me. I can always just cover it up with a sticker if I wanted to. This is the planner that I use when I do like my product shots for Oh Hello. So if I want to just cover up that rounded corner, it's not hard to do that anyway. I actually really enjoy the colored section at the bottom of the planner. I'm probably still gonna cover up with washi tape or my washi tape stickers, but I like the idea that there is a section down there if you aren't a heavy sticker user, that it's separated from the rest of the planner, that you can write your meals or anything like blog post ideas, YouTube video ideas for the week. I like that section, and I do like that that's colored, but I don't like that the monthly view is colored. So my plan is to actually take the gorgeous like colored quotes and somehow incorporate them into a neutral version of the planner, because I do use the deluxe monthly as my main planner. So the monthly view is super important to me. It's the only thing I really see, so I want to make sure that it's something I enjoy looking at. So I'm probably going to take the colorful like quote pages with the tabs and then put them into my deluxe monthly neutral, so I have exactly what I want. And I will be filming a video on that when the deluxe monthly planners come out. They're not available yet. So yeah. My thoughts on this new monthly page. I have mixed feelings. Like, I understand the value of it. I like that it's a bit more structured, but I also don't like that it's a bit more structured. You feel me? That is like planner crisis 101. I don't really track birthdays in this way, and it's interesting that this box doesn't have any lines while the other ones do. I do love the focus on monthly goals, and this section I could put my like habit tracker sticker down here if I wanted to, but overall I just liked the plain lined page or the one from the previous year where it had those like circles up at the top. I really enjoyed that one. I'm also really glad that they changed the back pocket to being a larger pocket this time. In the recent planners, they've been like the small short thing, which I'm like, that's very strange and doesn't hold anything. So I'm really glad that they added back the larger pocket in the back. In regards to accessories, my two favorites have to be this larger pack of dual tip markers. I'm pretty sure this green is a new color. I love the size of it, and it seems much more giftable to someone than packs in the past. So I love that. And then I also really love the fanny pack, or the planny pack, Mabi. I just love the pattern. Like, I'm so obsessed with this pattern that this is just downright gorgeous. And I want to put it on everything. And I don't really even use the planny pack in the past, but I'm definitely going to be using this one. I'm also really impressed with their pen. I'm curious to see what the price point is going to be, but so far I love it. I think it's going to make an excellent like teacher gift. And it has like a locking closure box. The box is gorgeous. You know how I feel. And the pen writes really, really nicely, but I'm just worried that it's going to be at a price point that's a little bit too much for a pen. But if it's reasonable, like I would pay $10 for this pen, and I really enjoy it. And of course, the pattern, it's getting me. So there you guys go. My thoughts and opinions, the good, the bad about this new Erin Condren release. These will be all available on May 8th, and there will be links and stuff down in the description. I will also link to other planner videos and my planner friends who are talking about different layouts and styles of the planners. So you can go check out those posts and videos so you can see a full range of what is going to be released on May 8th. I also have a blog post with close-up photos of everything if you want to go check that out as well. But let me know what you think. I would love to hear your opinions. Do you agree with me on these things? Do you like certain things that I don't like? What are your favorite things about this? Do you wish they didn't change anything at all? Definitely let me know your thoughts and opinions. I love hearing them. You guys are so insightful. So put that all down in the comments. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe because I will be doing that Franken planner mashup video in the future. So definitely subscribe to see more videos from me. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.